Hello folks, today we are going to see some examples of free fall acceleration. The value of the free fall acceleration is 9.8 meters for squared seconds. It means the magnitude of this acceleration is g equals 9.8 meters for squared seconds. So let's go to see some sample examples. You use some formulas that are used in constant acceleration. We have here a video about it because we are in the letter D of the examples. So we have here a picture. Tosses a baseball up along a y-axis with an initial speed of 12 meters per second. In the letter A, we have how long does the ball take to reach its maximum height. In the maximum height, we know that the final velocity is 0. So we put here, we will find putting here in the final velocity O0. We put the initial velocity here and the free fall acceleration here. We have v dot 2 seconds. In the letter B, what is the ball's maximum height above its release point? We have here the formula that is possible to put the time and to find the height. So we have here the time 1.2 seconds and we find 7.4 meters. In the letter C, we have how long does the ball take to reach a point 5 meters above its release point. We will use the same formula, putting here 5 meters and here 0 meters. Okay, we can describe as the initial position is 0. So we will find the two values. We are here in a system. We can find Tn squared t. So we have here 0.5 seconds and 1.9 seconds. The ball passes twice in 5 meters because we have 2 times here on the way up and once in the way down because we have 2 times here. So let's go more exercise. You can stop now and try to do yourself. So let's go to do this exercise. A ball is thrown up in air. Initial speed is 16 meters per second. Letter E. What will its maximum height be? So we can use this formula and we can put here the final velocity is O because in the maximum height the velocity is O. This ball will stop to fall again, okay, because the final velocity is O. We have initial velocity and we have here 2 times minus 9.8 and we have almost 13 meters. Letter B, we have how long will it take to get there. Okay, we know that the final velocity is O, so you use the final velocity O, we find almost 1.6 seconds. In the letter C, how long will it take the ball to get 10 meters? We use the same idea of the other example. We put here the 10 meters here. We have here 10 meters and we will find the times. Again, we will find two values. Here I am putting how is possible to solve it using x. Okay, we have a squared x plus bx plus c. So here is the equal is the same idea of squared x and x here. So you use this formula to solve it, and using this idea, A, B, and C are these values, and we find two values. Again, we have the way up passing for 10 meters and way down passing again for 10 meters, because each we have two times. Let's go to see the last exercise. You can now to stop it and try to do. Okay, let's go to see. A child throws a tennis ball vertically upward at 7.7 meters per second minus 1 from ground level, assuming that no resistance force acts on the ball, so there is moves only under the influence of gravity, G. What is the maximum height tennis ball reaches? So the same idea, we can use this formula and you will find delta x. Delta x is almost 3 meters. Now again, final velocity is O, initial velocity we have here, and 2 times minus 9.8, and we have here almost 3 meters. Okay, I missed here a minus here. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you.